Well, if you ever thought about furnishing a room in your house or even your whole home and you're worried about the cost, well, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Alex Nefd, Northeast Factory Direct, is going to help you out with that. Alex, thank you so much for joining us. All right, 15 years ago, you started this business in your garage.
Yeah.
It's kind of crazy that we're standing in this huge warehouse
It
right
is.
now.
It is, yeah.
Okay. Thousands you save people on furniture, no matter what room or their whole house. How do you do it?
Well, it's pretty simple. We buy everything by the truckload. We don't have a fancy place here. Our rent here is a tenth of what it would be at a high rent retail area, and we just don't mark it up like everybody else does.
Is there anything you don't have?
No, we pretty much have it all. We have hot tubs, we have kitchen cabinets, we have leather furniture, bedroom sets, high-end mattresses, pretty much anything for the inside of your house.
And I know a lot of people like to know what kind of brands you have here, and you have recently just gotten some new name brands.
We've
here.
got just about everything high-end you can get: Flex Steel, Kincaid, Ashley Furniture, anything you'd get at all the other stores at a lot less price.
A lot less price. So don't let the price scare you when you come here to Northeast Factory Direct. Luckily, you have a location on the west side, you have a location on the east side, but you have so much on your website, northeastfactorydirect.com.
Yeah, you can go to our website, you can come into the store, and we'll always work with you.
Do a lot of people come in here maybe looking for kitchen cabinets or just a sectional, and then they end up walking out of here with a lot more?
All the time. We had some folks come in and get a quote on kitchen cabinets.
Yeah.
They walked out of here with a hot tub because they saved so much on the cabinets.
Yeah, you come in planning to spend a certain amount of money for just one room. It's got to put a big smile on your face when you see you're taking care of it.
Makes us feel really good that we can help people out and we can still make some money.
Okay, well, it's real simple. All you have to do is go to their website, northeastfactorydirect.com. They have everything under the sun for both inside and outside. There's no gimmicks, there's no games, just this showroom or this big fancy warehouse.
Right, that's it.
And great prices.
That's right.
All right. Well, Alex, thank you so much for joining us here.
Thank you.
All right.